Okay, this next video is going to show the installation of my Italian door handles, manufacturer Linea Cali. I did a lot of research on these handles and many other brands made in Italy, and just really decided on this particular model that I like the best as far as the look, as far as the price, which I purchased online at windowO.com. And in the last video, we showed the installation of the AGB Polaris 2XT magnetic mortise lock, and now the handle will be installed again through the top hole, and then the thumb turn escutcheon for the privacy lock at the bottom will be installed afterwards. The reason why I decided to create these videos was as I was doing this research, I really couldn't find any written or videos showing how these types of Italian door handles are installed. And I thought it would be beneficial for everyone out there who's considering purchasing these types of handles. I really believe that they are all manufactured the same way. I believe this is an 8mm hole, which is a standard size hole, made for these types of magnetic locks. And I hope that you find some value in seeing how these get installed. Right now, there's a set plate being installed. Couple of things we learned while we've been installing these handles throughout the house is that each handle lever set comes with 10 of these small kind of set screws, and only 3 are needed per side, so a total of 6 for the passage handle. But when you have the privacy thumb turn at the bottom below the handle, those also need 3 set screws per side, so a total of 12 for a door that has a privacy latch, yet the handles did not come with 12 set screws, only 10. So we were able, luckily, to borrow from some of the other boxes where I didn't have the thumb turn escutcheon, only the passage handle rather, and we had some extra leftover screws, 4 to be exact, from the 10 that were provided when only 6 were needed to be installed. So just kind of a heads up there. Not something that you'll read about or see anywhere, but when you open up these boxes of handles and you see all the little pieces and parts that come with them, again, it's only something that we learned as we were going through the installation process. And right now you're seeing the set screw being positioned on the handle so that when it slides over top of the cover plate there, it'll be securely affixed. And so just to show you, now that the handles have been installed, when you close the door, the magnet from the AGB lock set engages with the strike plate in the jamb so that now I'm unable to pull the door open. But when I pull the lever down, that disengages the magnet and allows the door to be opened.